Carrying a heavy mirrorless setup completely ruins the fun of casual everyday travel and city walking. A premium compact camera packs a massive image sensor into a pocket-sized frame that you can take anywhere. And that's where our guide to the top 10 best compact cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Compact yet highly capable, the Canon PowerShot V1 is built for vloggers and content creators seeking professional video quality in a 15-ounce package. Its 22.3 megapixel sensor, IIIx processor, and 16 to 50 mm equivalent f2.8 to 4.5 lens deliver sharp results with Canon's signature color. Features include uncropped 4K 30 frames per second, 4K 60 frames per second, Full HD 120 frames per second, 10-bit color, Canon Log 3, and a cooling fan for extended recording. Dual pixel AF2, strong stabilization, and quality audio tools make it ideal for travel, live streaming, and social media content. Small enough for a pocket, yet powerful enough for serious photography, the RICOH GR IV combines a 26-megapixel APS-C sensor with a sharp 28mm equivalent f2.8 lens for outstanding image quality. Its 5-axis stabilization delivers up to 6 stops of compensation, making handheld night shots easier than ever. Fast 0.6-second startup, dedicated snap mode, 53GB internal storage, and improved battery life enhance everyday use. Limited video features, no viewfinder, and modest subject tracking are the main trade-offs. Flagship image quality fits in a truly compact body with the Sony RX1R Mark III. Its 61-megapixel full-frame Exmor-R sensor and Zeiss Sonnar T 35mm f2 lens produce stunning detail, rich color, and wide dynamic range. AI-powered autofocus accurately tracks people, animals, and insects, while crop modes offer 50mm and 70mm perspectives. The leaf shutter enables high-speed flash sync. Downsides include no image stabilization, a fixed LCD, modest battery life, and no weather sealing. Fujifilm GFX 100RF is a compact medium-format camera with a 102-megapixel CMOS 2 sensor and fixed 35mm f4 lens, 28mm full-frame equivalent, weighing 1.62 pounds. Image quality delivers extreme detail, wide dynamic range, color depth, plus raw cropping to 35mm, 50mm, 63mm equivalents. Aperture, shutter, ISO dials, and aspect ratio selector for 4:3, 16:9, panoramic. Leaf shutter allows silent shooting and flash sync up to 1/4000th of a second. Limitations include no IBIS, fixed f4 aperture, and compact controls. Panasonic LUMIX TZ99 is a compact travel camera. Weighing 0.7 pounds and 43.1 millimeters thin, it packs a 30 times Leica zoom, 24 to 720 millimeters, raw shooting, 4K video, and a 180-degree tilting touchscreen. USB-C charging and control ring enhance usability. Main strength is extreme zoom reach and portability. Limits include a small 1/2.3-inch sensor that struggles in low light, 4K with 1.5 times crop and reduced stabilization, and telephoto aperture narrowing to f6.4, increasing noise in dim scenes.
The Sony ZV-1 Mark II is crafted for creators who need a high-quality, portable tool that's effortlessly powerful. This 9-ounce marvel comes with an 18 to 50mm f1.8 to 4 lens, giving creators a versatile range for everything from wide group shots to intimate close-ups. Built for one-handed operation, the ZV-1 Mark II makes front-facing filming a breeze, perfect for vlogging on the go. The camera's 20.1 megapixel, 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor, paired with Sony's Bion's X processor, provides stunning image quality, fast processing, and vibrant, true-to-life colors. Its ISO range of 125 to 12,800 captures details in various lighting, while advanced face recognition keeps multiple subjects in sharp focus. Real-time IAF and object tracking deliver precise autofocus for moving subjects, and active mode image stabilization ensures smooth footage even when handheld. The 3-inch flip-out touchscreen offers intuitive control with AE tracking, touch focus, and shutter, simplifying filming from any angle. Enhanced features like cinematic vlog settings, slow motion, quick shoot modes, and a multi-directional microphone ensure versatile content creation. The Sony ZV-1 Mark II is a reliable portable powerhouse for seamless, professional-grade videos and photos, making it a top choice for today's dynamic creators. The Fujifilm X106 elevates the beloved X100 series with standout upgrades that street photographers and content creators will appreciate. At its core, the new 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS sensor captures ultra-crisp details, empowering users with flexibility for creative cropping. The bright 23mm f2 lens remains, yet now paired with in-body image stabilization, an X100 series first, making handheld shooting more reliable and smoother in lower light. This model inherits the fast and accurate autofocus of Fujifilm's X-T5, ensuring rapid subject tracking and lock-on capabilities that are especially handy for spontaneous street scenes. The hybrid viewfinder, a fan favorite, adds to the retro aesthetic and practicality, offering photographers both optical and electronic options for framing. Videographers will enjoy 6.2K 10-bit video support, expanding the X106's versatility as a filmmaking tool, though the fixed focal length might be limiting. Weatherproofing is also available with an adapter, and while only one UHS SD card slot is present, the camera's quality output justifies the investment. With timeless design, advanced features, and reliable performance, the X106 solidifies its position as a top choice for an on-the-go, premium compact experience. The RICOH GR IV enhances street photography with its 40mm lens, providing a natural field of view ideal for capturing expressive scenes and intimate portraits. Compact and powerful, this APS-C camera fits in your pocket but offers pro-level features. Its f2.8 wide aperture ensures excellent low-light performance, and the fast-eye autofocus locks quickly onto subjects, making it perfect for spontaneous shots. A sensor shift stabilization system keeps images crisp, even in handheld situations, while the built-in neutral density filter helps manage bright scenes smoothly. One of the GR3X's unique features is its compatibility with an optional 1.5 times teleconverter lens, which extends its versatility by allowing closer, zoomed-in shots without compromising image quality. With 2 GB of internal storage, photographers can shoot worry-free if they forget a memory card, and the camera's intuitive controls and streamlined design cater to those who prefer manual adjustments on the go. The RICOH GR IV is a dream for photographers who demand compact portability without sacrificing creative control. The Leica Q3 is a standout in the world of premium compact cameras, embodying the brand's commitment to exceptional build quality and performance. This full-frame powerhouse comes equipped with the renowned Summilux 28mm f1.7 ASPH fixed lens, which is prized for its sharpness, low-light capability, and stunning depth of field. At a glance, the Q3's design might seem substantial for a compact camera, matching the size of the Panasonic LUMIX S5 II with a pancake lens, but it packs a lot in a small package. The Q3's real allure lies in its premium shooting experience, one that few camera phones or compact models can rival. Its robust build, seamless controls, and tactile handling offer an immersive photography experience, while the autofocus, a rarity for Leica, makes it versatile for everyday use. Though not as fast as the leading autofocus systems, it's still Leica's most user-friendly camera yet, making it a great companion for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its impeccable style, intuitive operation, and celebrated Leica quality, the Q3 stands as an exceptional blend of form and function, delivering images with unmatched richness and clarity. The Sony RX107 continues to lead the pack in the compact camera world, offering unmatched versatility for photography enthusiasts. It boasts a lightning-fast autofocus system that tracks moving subjects with precision, and its Face and Eye AF features ensure portraits and action shots are sharp and beautifully composed even during video recording. The camera's video quality stands out with its stunning 4K resolution, while its photo quality maintains remarkable clarity, color depth, and dynamic range, rivaling larger cameras. The RX107's powerful 24 to 200mm f2.8 to 4.5 zoom lens provides a versatile range for capturing everything from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups, making it ideal for travelers or anyone wanting pro-level capabilities in a pocket-sized form. For vloggers, the inclusion of a microphone jack and a tiltable LCD adds greater flexibility. For those willing to invest, the RX107 is the ultimate compact. But if you're open to a few compromises, the RX106 offers similar quality with a few less advanced features, delivering impressive performance at a more approachable price. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.